Hi friends, my name is Rafael and I'm going to show you how I followed the pledge in order to create a lovely place for the wild birds around my area. First, I've been talking to my friends and family about why birds are important and also how they are important in the ecosystem. As you can see here, we have a beautiful array of trees and vines, as well as we have hummingbird fields and flowers. We have provided food for the birds, such as papayas and even the little ants that are feeding them. That is good for the birds. For the hummingbirds, we have installed hummingbird feeders. As you can see, the hummingbirds are using it. We have also provided a roof. So I found a broken pump, fixed it, and then I installed it to create this place. But I made it especially for the wild birds around my house. Even if you don't have trees, try to plant large shrubs or anything like native flowers. For example, we have some hummingbird flowers as well as some native hummingbird flowers such as the lantana. We have the paper. I am using my pledge and the things that I chose to help the native birds in my area.